This summer, meet the magical mermaid at VGP Marine Kingdom from April 12th to May 31st.
Severe Cyclone Remal made landfall between the coasts of West Bengal and Bangladesh with wind speeds reaching up to 135 kilometers per hour late on Sunday evening. The storm brought heavy rainfall, flooding homes and farmlands and leaving a path of devastation in its wake. Severe damage was observed in coastal West Bengal on Monday, with roofs torn off huts, trees uprooted, and electric poles downed. In Kolkata, one person reportedly died after concrete chinks fell on him and another was injured by a collapsing wall. In the Sundarbans Kusaba area, one person was injured by debris. The cyclone made landfall at 8:30 p.m. on Sunday, May 26, between Sagar Island in West Bengal and Kepupara southwest of Mongla in Bangladesh. Gigantic tidal waves hit a sea wall in Digha, with heavy rain blurring the coastline. North and South 24 Parganas and East Midnapur districts reported widespread damage. The full extent of the damage is still under assessment, but initial reports indicate that significant time and effort will be required to recover from the disaster. The state government has begun relief efforts providing food, water, and medical aid. Authorities have urged people to stay indoors and take precautions as heavy rain continues. By late Sunday afternoon, the West Bengal government had relocated around 1.10 lakh people from coastal areas to shelters focusing on South 24 Parganas, Sagar Island, Sundarbans, and Kakdweep. 14 NDRF teams were deployed while the state government readied SDRF teams. Relief materials and quick response teams with trained civil defense volunteers were put in place. PM Narendra Modi reviewed the storm response, while West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose closely monitored the situation. CM Mamata Banerjee urged people to stay home and assured government support. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation evacuated people from high rises and dilapidated buildings. Major Firhad Hakim said 15,000 civic employees were mobilized to handle post-cyclone scenarios, equipped to quickly remove large uprooted trees. Cyclone Remal disrupted transportation in Kolkata and southern Bengal, with trains being cancelled and 394 flights being suspended. Operations at Kolkata port were also halted. The Indian Coast Guard ensured maritime safety, while the Indian Navy prepared 2 ships with HADR supplies and aviation assets for rapid response. Specialized diving and flood relief teams are on standby for deployment. In Bangladesh, tidal surges caused injuries and swept away a youth in Patuakhali. An overcrowded ferry sank near Mongla port, but all passengers were rescued. Over 800,000 people are evacuated from vulnerable areas and taken to shelters, along with domestic animals. Flight operations at Chittagong Airport were suspended for 8 hours, and the Chattogram Port Authority halted all port operations.
This summer, meet the magical mermaid at VGP Marine Kingdom from April 12th to May 31st.